Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm back in the greenhouse. And in this episode I'm going to show you how to pot up plug plants. So I've ordered 20 fuchsias from Thompson Morgan. I'm going to show you how to pot them on so you can grow them ahead of the growing season. And as always, enjoy! So these are the fuchsias that we've ordered from Thompson Morgan. So there's 20. Here you can see the actual collection. So it's a Giant Flowered collection. So we've got Voodoo, Holly's Beauty, Peachy, Deep Purple and Swing Time. So we're going to pop them on into these big pots. Just have a look over here. Pop them on into these, and then I'm going to keep them at a decent temperature. I'm going to probably keep them in the house rather than in the greenhouse. And we'll grow them on until they're substantial enough and the frost's gone. And then we can pot them up in pots or baskets. But yeah, let's show you what to do. So we'll just get our get our pots, and we'll get some compost in them. I'm just using Wilco's multi-purpose compost. Any compost you can get hold of, peat free, will be fine. Just fill these up. So a nice multi-purpose, very fibrous, so plenty of air for the roots to roam around. And then all you do is get your plants. So this is the plug plant, so you see a nice root system on it, and then just make a hole, use a dibber or your finger, pop it in, firm it down, and once they're all in, don't forget to give them a good water. So firm it in, normally I've really good success with Thompson Morgan's plug plants, so no reason why these won't be just as good. So that first 4 in there are Voodoo. I'm going to put 2 of the next one, which is Holly's Beauty. They all look the same, so make sure you keep an eye on which ones are which and make sure you label them, otherwise it's bit of a lucky dip when you plant them up. So there you go, that's the first one potted up. So let's start another one. Really simple process. And if you buy plug plants, it works out quite a bit cheaper. So if you've got somewhere to keep them protected from frost, like a greenhouse or a coal frame or a lean-to or just a sunny windowsill, then will save you quite a bit of money. So continue. So these are still Holly's Beauty because there's 4 of each. So that one and this one still Holly's Beauty, just because there's 2 in there, and then there'll be 4 in this one. So that's 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one's actually Peachy, and this one's Peachy. And that means that these two will also be peaches. Let's just check the numbers. Yep. Really healthy, strong plants from Thompson Morgan. A real good root system on them. So up there, so I know which way they go. So let's continue with the, so next one is the deep purple. So we've got 4 of these. So they've all got really good strong root systems on them. So they should develop into lovely healthy plants. So that's the deep purple, and then we've got the last ones are swing time. I say I've got 4 of each variety. Just a couple left, so let's just stick them in just these 2 end trays. So they're just the last 2 of swing time. And we'll give them a water. Water them in, and then keep them somewhere protected from frost. And again, don't forget to label them. There you have it. Just give them a water. Because they've been in those post bags for however long it takes to deliver, so they'll be ready for a drink. It'll also help the roots to establish. And there you go, 20 fuchsias all potted up, and we'll have a lovely colourful display of these giant fuchsias come summer. So there you go, all the fuchsias potted up, ready for growing on, all in their position just in the extension, just where we can keep them protected from frost, keep an eye on them, and grow them on until frosts have disappeared, and we can then put them in pots or in baskets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.